Hello, my name is Stuart, and today I'm going to show you how to make your first newsletter using Smartrmail. The reason I'm using Smartrmail is because it's the easiest way to send email marketing, and also they pay me. Okay, so this is what our email is going to look like. Okay, so let's actually talk about why you would send a newsletter. Well, first of all, they're free. So it's free marketing. Second of all, there's this idea in marketing that a customer only has a limited amount of space in their brain for your brand, and you need to keep reminding them that you exist. The trick with newsletters is to offer your customer value, and I'm not just talking about a discount or a big promotion. I'm talking about giving them reasons to actually click on your email in their inbox. That is the name of the game. There's no silver bullet. It really depends on what your business does. And like I said, you can offer them a discount, but is that a really smart business decision to send out a discount for every newsletter? No, it's a bad idea. And you can't release a new catalog every 2 weeks. That's crazy. Who's gonna care? So today, my value proposition is gonna be how to wear your backpack properly. So here we are on the Smartrmail homepage. Let's go to newsletters. Let's go to new newsletter. And let's just click a random template. How about that one? Go to composer. Okie dokie. So first things first, we're gonna add our photo. Okay, so this I made in Photoshop. This took me a little while to make. You might not be good at Photoshop, but you can just use Canva instead or hire someone to make your photos. Photos are important. Emails are visual. Okay, so I've just basically loaded in my copy that I've already written. And you'll notice right away that it doesn't look as pretty as it did before. Well, there's a few things that are making it not look so pretty. So first of all, let's change this font. We're changing it to Futura because it's the same font that I used in the Photoshop document, and I did that on purpose. Their secret sauce to creating a sexy looking newsletter is to create a congruent aesthetic. That means using the same colors, using the same font where you can. We'll go into this a bit more right now. I'm going to change the background of this text to the same background that I used in the Photoshop image. I'm just going to copy that hex code, paste it there. We can see now it's starting to pop off. We've got a congruent theme happening. Now we're going to change this to Futura again, and we're also going to tighten up this text. That was pretty quick, and it's already looking 10 times better. Enough design. I'm going to tell you why we're going with this backpack idea. First of all, send it to all subscribers. The reason why I'm going with this backpack is because I have a pretty good subject line. If you got an email that told you that you're wearing your backpack wrong, would you want to click it? Yes. What's the value? We're teaching them how to wear a backpack properly. Now, I know that doesn't seem like a big deal, but if you subscribe to my email list and my store sells backpacks, you probably want to know about backpacks. Preview text. We're just trying to tease them. We want our email to jump out at them and say, click me, and the way to do that is to tease them. I'm gonna delete this shop now button. It's not relevant to this email. I'm gonna add a line to break it all up. We're just gonna use the new drag and drop feature because I prefer that. So we've given them their value straight away. We haven't hidden it anywhere. It's the first thing you see as soon as you look at this email. But now we're gonna try to casually bring up the fact that we actually sell backpacks, and if they're interested, they're right here. So Smartrmail makes it super easy to just add new products. There we go. Now, again, this looks pretty ugly, so our secret sauce is a congruent color theme. So let's use the color in the middle here and fill it out. So there's a separation here between the value and what we're actually selling. The reason I'm doing this is just to keep it as readable as possible. I just want them to be like, oh, yep, this is what I'm looking at. This is why I clicked on the email. I want to know how to wear my backpack properly. And while I'm scrolling, speaking of which, here we are, I've got some backpacks. The title will be Futura, and I'm going to copy and paste the same spacing settings. And I'm just going to change the title of this so it's not in capitals. And frankly, now that we've just conformed all of the same text settings, the email's done. Before I finish this video, let's quickly talk about the copy itself. Obviously, it's educational, but what I want to talk about is your brand's tone. What is your brand? Is it friendly? Is it professional? Depends on what you're selling, depends on who you are. For this store, I'm targeting uni students, so I've kept it casual, but if you're selling professional golf balls to golfers, you probably want to have a completely different tone. They're serious about the game, so you better be serious too. Always remember to preview before you click send, because you never know how it'll appear in a browser until you actually check for yourself. And the great thing about Smartrmail is that it automatically adapts to a mobile format. This looks great. And now we can just schedule to send. I'm gonna send this tomorrow at 3 o'clock and send. And that's done. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped, and please leave a like if you liked the video. Thank you. See ya.